Hello, my dear friends. Let's learn the some alphabets. Let's start. Let's find A. First letter is A. Next letter is B. B. Next letter is C. Where is C? No. C. Let's find D. D. Next letter is E. Is this E? No. Yes, E. Let's find F. F. The next letter is G. Is this G? No. G. Let's find H. H. The next letter is I. Let's find I. No. Yes, I. The next is J. Where is J? J. The next letter is K. Is this small k? No. Let's find small k. Yes, K. The next letter is L. L. Next letter is small m. Let's find. Is this M? No. Yes, M. The next is N. Is this N? No. Yes, N. The next letter is O. Let's find O. O. The next is P. Is this small p? No, it's big P. Let's find small p. Yes, P. The next is small q. Where is small q? Yes. Next is R. Is this R? No. Where is R? Oh yes, here. R. The next is S. Let's find S. Yes, S. Let's find T. Is this small t? No. T. The next letter is U. Is this U? Yes, it's perfect. The next letter is V. No. V. The next letter is W. Is this small w? No. W. The next letter is X. X. Let's find Y. Is this Y? No, it's big Y. Y. The last letter is Z. Let's find Z. Yes, Z. Perfect. Let's learn together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.